Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the R programming language, and most probably we are going to share some videos on the applications of R in geographical analysis. It may includes the analysis of numerical data in the forms of statistical analysis, and it will also includes the spatial data analysis later on. So first we have to understand what is R and why we need to use this R. R is just a statistical software which is developed within a very few years. So through this R, as it is a open source software, we can run different modules and different things based on different packages. So what are the packages? Packages is nothing but the combination of all the coding that is required for performing a particular task. So if we want to do any kind of statistical analysis or any kind of spatial analysis which is required for geographical analysis, we have to install different packages based on our objective of study or objective of our analysis. So for that, R has different repositories of packages. I think more than 8,000 to 10,000 packages are there, and each of the packages is dedicated for each of for a particular task or for a bundle of tasks. So for performing any analysis, we have to install that package. So first we have to be familiar with the R environment. So if we want to see the R, then we will found these four segment of R. In most of the cases, if you are using the R for the first time, then you will get only these three, this one and this one. So this part will not be there in the R environment if you are using for the first time. So what are the activities and of this all these four panels we have to understand first, otherwise it will be difficult for us to understand the processing of the R software and how to run any code. So for importing a script, this is called the script, where we can write different codes and we can change the codes if we write the code on the script section. Then we have to go to this file. So here you will find some of the key toolbars, from where one of the toolbars is file, and if you go to new file, then you can add R script and it will add a new script in the R environment, where you can write any kind of code and you can run that code. So this part is console. So what it will do, as we are writing the code in the console, script, we can also write the code in the console, but the difference is, if we want to write the code in the console, then no modification of the code will be performed. So once you run a code, then the code should be run from the beginning, and if you get a error, then, but if you write the code in the script section, then you can change the code. This is the part where you can write the code as well as